Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a 7-inch mirror replacement to a Ford Focus 2014. This case, what we did, we took the factory mirror out, put a new mirror, not a clip-on. As you can see, the glass of the mirror is very clear, very bright. You can see everything very nice. This mirror also has optional side cameras and optional front camera, but in this case the customer wanted the reverse camera just to have a 7-inch instead of our regular 4.3. We put the vehicle in reverse, and you can see we have the camera shows on the whole mirror, the vehicle back in drive or in park, and we get the mirror looks standard. For backup camera and other electronics for vehicles, you can always find us at Car Systems Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.